Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn how to show the saved data in the settings that we have already done. Like we have in the previous video we have learned, we have the go to the settings, we have the our URL. So where we are, let's reload this. Sorry, we have only on this one. Okay, you can see that we have these two things we have saved in the settings, and let's how we are going to use it, how we are going to show whatever we have written it is there. So for showing it, like this one, what we have to do is I will show you how to can fetch this one. See here, you need to bypass options, get option, and this is the example plugin settings option which you want to use. I think it is defined on the top of the, yeah, you can see that settings fields is this one, example plugin settings. You can see that this is the plugin settings. So for this one you need to define get options, options like this one, and after this, after defining this, you need to, after these options, you need to buy options which field you want to get. This is get option by this one. If you go to the WordPress database also, this is saved. So with the help of this, whatever we have a settings, so we need to pass it options with the whatever the text field, and you will get it, right? So this is how we can get any of the settings that we have create. So there is attribute that is called get options, right? So get option basically gives you like whatever option you want to fetch with which plugin. So I have created this plugin name, so all the options are saved with this one, and what the fields I want to fetch it, I need to just bypass the name of the field. That's it. Okay, so this is how we can show the data whatever we have saved into the settings page. Okay, and yeah, that's it. So the in the next video we are going to learn about how to create the REST APIs, and I will show you how we are going to use this text field here. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.